Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an update on my competition prep. Been getting a lot of questions, emails from all you guys, which I appreciate so much. And before we get into the video, please, I want you all to follow me on Instagram. It's very important because I not only post here every now and again, but I am on Instagram daily, posting videos of my training, posting what I eat and all of that, because it's just easier, especially with my time constraints. So much easier just to put stuff up on Instagram until I have the opportunity to make a video. So follow me on Instagram. It's the same name here as my channel, Feliciannurse, and you'll be able to see what goes on in my life every day. So anyway, moving forward, prep has been going amazing. My coach is outstanding. Anyway, all right, so here's what's going on. So my meal plan is totally different and my training is totally different. Reason being, meal plan totally different because every 2 weeks, I have to send her pictures and measurements and my weight and things like that. And she looks at them and it's from every angle, and it is very vulnerable, let's say, because it's all out there. And she literally looks at body parts and figures out visually with the information that I provide her how to tweak everything up, because everything needs to be tweaked depending on how you're doing. And the last 8 weeks have been in a bulking period, so my calories were jacked up and I was just pounding it out in the gym because I was trying to build muscle, hence to the present day. So I have been putting on quite a bit of lean muscle. I can see it through my body. I can see it when I wear certain clothes, and I'm so excited about it. Now, it's not stopping. It's continuing. The point of this whole thing is to put on muscle. But right now, we are toning back on the carbs and the calories, and we are going to try to lose a little bit of body fat because I still have body fat. That is just the way it is. And you have to get to a certain leanness to get on stage. And this is a work in progress. Somebody the other day made a stupid comment on Instagram, like, you know, you have too much body fat on you, and why would you think you would come in first and all this other stuff? People, it's a journey. I'm not going on stage tomorrow. I'm just documenting my progress. I literally posted on Instagram a picture of myself in a sports bra and a bikini bottom. First time ever, you will see like me without pants and all this other stuff. And that was a vulnerable post. I was like, do I post it? I don't know. But you know what? My flaws are there. You'll see my cellulite. You'll see that I still have body fat. That is just who I am, and I'm not ashamed of it. I'm putting it out there because it's part of my journey. And I want you guys to see the progression, because there is a progression happening. And I'm very grateful and fortunate to have that happening. I am no ways near ready to go on that stage, but it's only February. The goal was, or is, late summer, early fall. She seems to think it'll be earlier, but I don't know. So that's where we're at. So if you want to go on my Instagram and leave a silly comment like that, I can't stop you, but please know and do your research before you do that this is a journey. This is what I'm doing. I mean, I'm not going on stage tomorrow saying I'm coming in first. And honestly, I don't know if I'll come in at anything. The point of this is for me to follow through a goal that I've set for myself, that I want to do a competition. If I come in last, if I don't come in at all, if nothing happens, I'm still going to be participating and doing this. If I come in first, second, third, fourth, I will be more than grateful and probably bawl my eyes out because I'm working so hard at this. What I said in that one video is that my mentality is that I'm going to come in first, because that's what pushes me. You know, there's times in the gym I go and I'm tired, just like you guys are. And it's hard. Believe me, this is not easy. I'm in the gym almost 3 hours, 6 days a week. That's a lot. I'm not complaining. I love it. But what I'm saying is if I can get on that stage and strut my stuff and just be confident and know that I worked hard to get there, then that is all I need. But my mentality is to come in first, because if I don't use that mentality, then what's the sense? Why would you sign up for a competition and not think to yourself, man, I want to place first, right? Like, you know, you run a race and you want to place. That's just it. It keeps you going. I could be at the gym sometimes and think to myself, oh my God, I'm so tired. What if I stop now? What if I stop now would be the girl that's in her gym and she is pumping it out and she's working hard and, you know, she's not quitting. So that's where that mentality comes in. I'm not saying I'm coming in first. I'm just saying the mentality for training is I am going to be the best I can. I am going to come in first. No one's going to beat me. Like, that's the mentality. That's what gives me that oomph, you know, when I'm tired in the gym. So anyway, that's that. Moving on. Well, so every 6 weeks I have learned that training has to be tweaked because your muscles, your body, you become efficient, your muscles become used to the training, and things have to be tweaked. So that is why my coach sees photographs of me, learns my measurements, my weights, and she tweaks things up. So my exercise now is 6 days a week. Saturdays are now included, and that is ab, butt, and some hamstring work and cardio, 45 minutes of it. And during the week, it's pretty much the same body parts, but totally different exercises, all different ways, different things, and cardio every day. So 6 days a week in the gym, 6 days a week training, 6 days a week cardio. That's a lot. But I love it. I honestly love it. I'm obsessed, and I can't wait to get to the gym either first thing in the morning or at night after work. It just depends on my day. But all I think about is the gym. Like, all I think about right now is how my body is changing. What can I do better? How can I make myself stronger? And the desire to go back to my old way of eating is not there. It is hopefully gone out of my life for good, because the whole thing of Optavia and all of that was to lose the weight once and for all, because I was sick and tired of dieting and didn't want to do this roller coaster up and down anymore. And I learned that it is just right here, guys. It is right there. You know, like when you want to cave out and eat a piece of cake and go off plan, it's all in the head. It's like, do we get cravings? Totally, we do. But I swear, I am not afraid of carbohydrates anymore. I am learning, major learning, portion control and what foods you can eat for your day. Like, you have to eat strategically. Like, when you think about food, food is fuel and nothing more. That's all food is. It doesn't have to be delicious. It just has to feed and fuel your body. And we come from a society where food has to be delicious and celebratory and all of these other things. And if it's not good, I'm not going to eat that. Or, oh, no, get that out of your head. Like, do you think an animal goes and eats like a dead chipmunk and thinks, oh, this is delicious? Or it's just survival mode. That's what they eat for. So that's what we have to eat for. So learning so much about, you know, when you go into the gym and train, even if it's for an hour, guys, you have to strategically eat before and after in order to use those calories and carbs. Don't be afraid of them. For years, I was afraid of carbohydrates. For years. You guys know, if you follow me, you know, the whole keto lifestyle was fantastic, but terribly afraid of carbs. If I ate that one extra piece of broccoli and went over my 20 grams of carbs, it was like Disasterville. No. So that may be for keto because you want to stay within a range. But what I'm learning is that I don't have to eat one certain way. I just have to eat well balanced, the right portions, the right foods for the time of day, depending on my activity level. That is it. Every Saturday I cheat. I have a cheat meal. My cheat is like a giant sized burger with mayo and ketchup and everything on it, a side of onion rings, some French fries, frozen yogurt with Reese's peanut butter cups on top. Like, doesn't that sound unhealthy and disgusting? And it kind of is, but it's strategic. All week I eat low carb, you know, on this new meal plan. It's low carb, big time. It's a big cut. A lot less calories than I was doing the last 8 weeks. So I am kind of, I don't want to say depleted, because I'm still progressing in the gym. I'm still getting stronger, still have energy. But it went from like here to here, right? And now it's like low all week. And I am putting in hours in the gym, guys. I am like, I'm not even kidding. I I am literally doing to my capacity. Like, I am working hard. It is not, 10 pounds. It is like to the point where at my last couple reps, I am struggling. But that's how you build the muscle. So the cheat meal, basically what it does is it refuels my tanks back up, stores the glycogen into the muscle for me to use for the following week when my carbs and calories are low. It's all basic nutrition. And, I, with keto, was able to totally understand the body's physiology with keto and provide, information for people. And it worked. And it does still work. If you're on keto, man, go for it. It's a great, great lifestyle if you're able to do that. And what I'm learning, though, is that, number one, it's not difficult to lose weight and to do things as you get older. That's like a myth that I believed for so long. Another thing that I believed that I kind of, I'm living proof. So I guess my own experience is what is changing my mind on this, is that carbs are not the enemy. Carbs used strategically, though, benefit you. Carbs in a surplus and you're not exercising and things, for some people, don't work. And I'm one of them. If I wasn't training like this, believe me, and I was eating burgers and onion rings and frozen yogurt and all that other stuff, I would probably balloon right back. The point is, I'm using the calories, carbs, fat, and protein for my training, if that makes any sense. So I'm really learning a lot, guys, and I have such admiration for my coach with her background in nutrition and fitness, and I of course love this stuff. You guys know, I'm honestly considering, after all of this, maybe going back to school and really getting myself involved with sports, nutrition, things like that, because it just interests me. Like, everybody has a passion. Like, honestly, as a nurse, helping people is a passion. This is just a facet. And if I can go from, big chunky Lori to fit Lori competing on a stage, and learning all of those lessons in between, from Weight Watchers to keto to Optavia to this now, going back to school and learning the information that can help other people, that would be that is like the highlight. So obviously, one goal at a time. Let me get on that stage, let me get to where I need to go, and let's see what happens after. But that's kind of what's going on. And I'm really excited about things. It's just, I love it. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to get to the gym every day. And I'm living like, I feel so good. So that's kind of what's going on. I will make a new what I eat in a day video so you guys can see. My rice is gone. Most of my carbs, I would say 90% of carbohydrates that I was eating the last 8 weeks are now eliminated. So I'm technically in fat burning mode. And so if that's keto or Optavia, in that range, or low carb, whatever, that is where I'm at. I do get to eat some fish now, and most of my beef is gone, so it's pretty much like egg whites, chicken, fish, turkey, and vegetables. And I do strategically get to have a 1/4 cup of oatmeal and a little bit of quinoa pre and post workout, and that's it. So that's where I'm at. I am actually, as of last week, I am down close to 4 pounds, which is what I originally gained in my surplus. So of course I'm like freaking out, because I'm like, am I going to lose muscle now? Like, what the heck? But I noticed once my meal plan changed from the higher carb and the calories to the lower carb and calories, I was urinating a lot, and I know that was just bloat. So, yeah, so that's where we're at. It's all a science. It's crazy how it works, but it is a science. You are able to get your metabolism back on track if you're somewhat in my age group. I'm going to be 50 this summer. And you think that you're too old to fix your metabolism and get fit and all that, please don't believe that, because that is not true. There is a way to do it, and I would be more than happy to talk to you guys. You know, leave a comment, whatever, and we'll talk. So that's the update. My next video will be what I eat in a day. I hope to record that this weekend so you can see. I will include my cheat meal. And then I think what I'll do during the week is show you what I eat post-workout, so that you can see how I incorporate that into my day as well. Because on Saturday when I have the cheat meal, I don't have my post-workout shake and oatmeal, because I'm having a ton of carbs with my cheat meal. Wow, it's a lot, right? It's a lot, but it's worth it, and I'm enjoying it, and that's all that matters. So anyway, guys, that's the video for today. I've been talking like almost, what, 16 minutes? That's a long video. Maybe not, but my voice is starting to get hoarse. I hope that, you know what, I've been doing a lot of talking today. That's why. So anyway, day is almost over, and I will be heading to the gym this evening, because that's how it worked out. I prefer to work early evening, but sometimes it doesn't work out that way. I do love the morning workouts, and that's pretty much it. So anyway, stay focused, guys. If you have any questions, leave them below. And yes, I did get a haircut. I'm thinking maybe next time to go a little shorter and have it like angled. So if that's something you think I should do, let me know below. But right now it's just a blunt cut, and these pieces here obviously broke when I had the bleach done and used a hair dryer that was way too hot. So these pieces have to grow back in about that much to get that nice angle, but I've been just going like that. Alright guys, so that's the video. Stay focused. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your support and all of your beautiful comments that you send me here in my email, on instant message, Instagram. Follow me everywhere. My name is Feliciannurse. My name is Lori, and Feliciannurse is just my social media name, and I use it for all social media. So if you ever want to find me anywhere, that's where to find me. All right, have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.